My name is Kate Leatherberry. I'm the Director of Domestic Transportation Solutions from Gebrüder Weiss, USA. We are the oldest logistics company in the world with 7,300 employees and 150 worldwide offices. In North America, we have 7 U.S. offices and 3 Canadian offices. Gebrüder Weiss has been using CargoWise in the U.S. since 2017 when we opened our USA offices. We use CargoWise for our air and sea freight operations as well as our billing for all of our customers for air and sea freight and domestic. Domestic solutions and transportation has always been a very important part to Gebrüder Weiss. We use 3GTMS to house all of our domestic contracts for our air and sea freight offices in the U.S., as well as CargoWise as our main operating software. It was necessary to create a connection between 3GTMS and CargoWise to increase operator efficiencies and accuracies and giving us a single system of record. Initially, our operators were concerned about having to use multiple systems to create bill of ladings, obtain rates, enter the booking information from CargoWise, having to enter it into the TMS. When we completed the integration, this was no longer a worry. Literally all they have to do is press a button and all of the information goes straight from CargoWise into the TMS, adding multiple efficiencies and making their lives easier. Our operators are able to save a lot of time, a couple minutes per file. They don't have to go back and check different screens in CargoWise and the TMS to make sure the information is in there. There have definitely been a lot of reductions in errors because there is no manual entry anymore. All of the data coming from CargoWise is accurate. As long as it's accurate in the file, it's going to be accurate in the TMS. Also, the WIP and accrual information is then sent from the TMS to CargoWise, so they don't have to remember to update their files for accounting. With extra time on our hands, our operators are really focused on providing the best customer experience for our customers because they have more time to focus on their shipments and manage by exception and be proactive rather than reactive. We're moving towards more and more automation, and with the integration with 3GTMS and CargoWise, we're currently receiving status messages from 3GTMS into CargoWise. We're going to be working in the future to have those status messages from 3GTMS that are now in CargoWise sent from CargoWise to our global track and trace so our customers worldwide can see their status updates for their domestic transportation in the US.